Here is the exercise to get comfort with partitioning. We'll be using range partitioning to take care of this exercise. We have to use retail database. Make sure orders table already exists. Using that orders table, you can create table orders underscore part with the same columns. Partition the table by month using range partitioning on order date. It has 4 columns: order ID, order date, order customer ID, and order status. And we are expected to create the table using range partitioning on order date. As part of the data, we have data related to 2013 July through 2014 July, which is 13 months, and hence you have to add all the 14 partitions, 13 based upon the date and 1 default. Here is the naming convention. The default partition name should be orders underscore part underscore default. When it comes to partitions related to given month, the name should be using this convention: orders underscore part, which is nothing but the table name, underscore 4-digit year and 2-digit month. Then you have to load the data from orders into orders underscore part, and you have to validate to ensure that the data is copied into the partition table without any gaps. For that, you have to get count on orders underscore part as well as all the 14 partitions. You should get 0 for default partition, and all the records should be distributed using the other 13 partitions. Also compare the count against orders. The count between orders and orders underscore part should be the same. That's how you can validate whether the data is copied properly into the partition table or not. You have to get the count on orders underscore part, which should be equal to orders, and also you have to get count on each and every partition to ensure that data is distributed based upon the number of records in each month. And the default partition should not have any data, because we are supposed to create partitions to support all the months we have as part of our data.